You can hear the grass crunching. Hey, it's Nick. I'm in Cincinnati. I'm in Price Hill. We're in the middle of a big, huge ice storm. And everyone's been calling. They want to know the details. I thought I'd take you out there. Let's go see what's happening. Oh, this is scary. Built up ice on the deck. There's an accident waiting to happen. Hot tub stairs are covered. Even the U.S. flag, stiff as a board. Honeysuckle, ice covered. And look at this rooftop. Wouldn't want to get up there today. Not going to put anything on this rack today. I think I'll be on plan B tomorrow. So there you have it. Pretty treacherous situation in Cincinnati. Hope you survive tonight and see you tomorrow on Monday.